when that wala money can control any man here because of ego, that you should stay away from that person. Ima the bayana had honest. Okay, man, this guy ana bo agobola. Pima no ihe jamo kunde Zion today. Agobola. Pima no ihe jamo kunde Zion. This guy got na Zion because ochoro gene. Ochoro connection, ochoro business, ochoro kunwete ihe na acho. So when people the wise notice his interior motives, it didn't work for him. Because number one, he used to live all these fake lives. People thinking that he has money. Now, he's no longer seeing those money on us vandalizing. Or a gonia a sample no money or the broke. He just had to maintain those fake lives. Yeah, Megane. Yeah, hold the opportunity because he has a little fan base. Yeah, hold that opportunity. Babu Zion ime. Chena utana shonye bana Zion ye bute. Another person bana Zion ye bute. Yem na wagi with facts. If he denies it, agama pota with full facts. And them ne buri ya humane buri ya kenke. Na baridi ya ha baridi. I'm an insider. I'm on the details. I'm on the problem. Agobola. Manihi me vorongwegi the highest disgrace on earth. Could you imagine a full-grown ass man like you? Akwampura mugana abwari without you standing one place. You went into Zion for business. It didn't work for you. They decide they are the same. Omenala dibia he criticized when they were touring Ebuka Obi around. Now you run into them to do what? To make a fortune. Or contracts. No matters that business go for anyone. Nobody is saying that your business is not versatile, that you cannot do business within the Dibia. You cannot do business. But when you are going there to be an ambassador, to represent, is a two different thing. That means they want a special entrance in a chonaka. Of course, even if Aya is for everybody. Aya is like a universal product. Anybody can come in, buy your products. But when you take personal interest, actually you got about video, KG shame others because your plan did not work out a bigger. My dear, you are not man enough. Oh, do no more no come na bo mo come Mary. Look at in her life, look go John Joloko. E baba na nke ndi bia today. Tomorrow ga gbapụta bia nara ana ajuga na koiri. Ana ajugigane, you try to defend your stupidity. Eh? Who does that? My brother Profwebe. How many places have you jumped around? Like I said, I'm not this Efrembo wanine. Ibi mo nyega like him. Yem na chombagi ya no hapampuramu. Nti anogi he. And I'm a cookie like him. Only I like him because of me being honest. What I go? I'm not cooking home nanny na home nanny ga home because yes, only an equation. Look at it, Ndi Dibia Jizige make caricature in the name of Ebuka Obi, in the name of Kunde Zion. Us give one with the point na gezeji, akwe jizige na aba, akwa connect agi to club and then ebu arobara. What are you representing, my brother? Can he negotiate that what you're doing is right, or you negotiate that he gave me then is the right thing to do? Nde Zion, were na aka dona aka na nti unu. Were anyu no sam meaning. Mana people that come around you. You know this some certain peoples, which I am not going to mention. Ogana abu na anya krimankri. They are there for here or for japa. They are not there for reality. And don't be very, very careful. On you no do any hochuno, ne video ya people now because damage onya meruno na. Even nke mataya say runya half. Because here was somebody dobatara inside you. Nke mataya say man one enemy. Man one enemy from the onset. But unkonya bebe pretend they are no na gene no. Ashi oke no lo gbara oke no na ahia na gene. Oke no n'ọhịa na azụ na ngịga Onya should be on a greatest disappointment. I'm not going to the truth. Onye ola no mi jene with you bakuru nde enemy. Stay away from those people. Onye ola ge na no mi jene. Yashe no ze ba hu. Ina eze. Nda na akọ ge wa nda achọ ge anything. Remember mgbe I mere Matthias arrest. Ka onye garaga kwọ 5 million ka aga bail o Matthias. Akwa ọkụkọ. Right? I'm not saying that oge ano enmity with ụmụnne mba. Enwere ihe wu ga-eji ga-ese eti ọrụ. Ihe a na-eji this man eme na we ji ese eti ọrụ. Ka eji na amụ ọkụ unu. You guys should be wise. Because I know he will return. One of them matter, he will return. Because where belly face will always face where belly face. They will never be stable. Ego ga-akọ ya again. Ihe ndị ụmụ dibịa na-eme na ka ha use chanya. Ya wụrụ an instrument of use ya. Ihe ọ na-eme na we ego eji atashi. Ihe ọ lakpụkara akụkụ ite ngala n'akụkụ ụnụ. Ihe ọ na-eme na we ihe ọ kpụtara n'akụkụ ite. Ọ ga-eji eriri kpọọ nwaanyị, and that is the end. When you left your destiny behind and get feel that all this rubbish you make your destiny is a lie. You all these Christianities, all these Christians, all these pastors, me peto na anyu no. Go no who deeper than what you guys expected. Nda we hunu chena how. Especially this agobola. Agobola enwe ho front, enwe ho back. He just otagi wunya mmiri na basin. Yana shake. Yaga ni hu yaga na azụ. Yaga na by left. Yaga na by right. Oh ho. Agobola. Shame to you. Oh nwere ike gwa gị. Shame unto you. Yeah, that you are selling business. Yeah, we cover that up. You're just using it to cover up. I had to be honest with you. You can only deceive the gullible ones. Otherwise, my brother, retrieve your footsteps. You join and join her. The other video, which I'm also going to attach here. Ebe na ashe no wunde depo na ego ihegi. Aguje ego. Ichokam bia towa giri ka people matter the reason why iji ba Zion. Iji ego gbado ya dia o.